How to make a payment on BNY Mellon credit card. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to make a payment on your Bank of New York Mellon credit card. In order to make a payment on your Bank of Mellon credit card, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you could do it as an online payment. So for that, you could go and log in into your account and then navigate to the payment section. After that, you need to go and enter the amount you want to pay and choose your payment method, either bank account, debit card, or credit card. Then you need to review the payment details and confirm the transaction. And the other way to do it so is your mobile app payment. Open up your mobile application and then log in into your account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Do the same procedure, that is, go to your payment section. And from the payment section, you could just go ahead and enter the recipient details, all of that, and review the terms and condition, or review the details that you've provided, and you should have successfully made payment using your mobile app. And the other way to do it is setting up an auto pay. All you have to do is log in into your online banking account, and you need to provide your bank account information and set up payment account and frequency. Next, you need to review and confirm setup to ensure that the payments are made automatically, and by following the steps, you should have made payment successfully on Bank of New York Mellon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.